Let's have some fun before the work begins.